Redmi Buds 6 Play Hands-on Review. Design and Comfort. These earbuds weigh just 3.6 grams per side, making them incredibly lightweight and comfortable for extended wear. The charging case, with its sleek, curved pebble design, is both compact and pocket-friendly. Finish quality is smooth and minimalistic, though the glossy surface may show fingerprints. Audio quality. Equipped with 10mm dynamic drivers, they deliver punchy bass, clear mids, and reasonable treble for the price. Users can customize sound with 5 preset EQ modes: standard, bass, voice, treble, volume via the Xiaomi Earbuds app. Battery and charging. From a single charge, they last up to 7.5 hours, and with the case, you can stretch that to 36 hours of playback. Quick charging is supported. Just 10 minutes delivers around 3 hours of listening time.